In this video, I'm gonna share with you the exact strategy that you can use to make $100 to $300 per day using Zillow. The strategy I'm gonna teach you was actually how I got one of my very first clients who is still a customer 8 years later. And don't worry, I'm not here to sell you some course or coaching program. This is the exact step-by-step process that I wish I had 8 years ago when I dropped out of college and was trying to make money online. If you wanna skip doing this business model on your own and you wanna partner up with me, just leave a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will send you over a private link to unlock my free step-by-step course, as well as all of my templates and scripts 100% for free. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find a real estate agent on Zillow, and then we're gonna build them an AI agent without needing to know how to code. And then we're gonna set it up one time and charge them $297 per month or more. Now, let's get into the video. Here's the plan. We're gonna find realtors that are selling 15 to 20 homes or more per year, and then we're gonna use AI to generate appointments for them. Then we're gonna charge them $297 per month. If you're interested in my free automation templates that you can use to sell to different businesses, just leave a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will send you over a private link. So here's the problem. Realtors make money by helping people buy and sell houses, and in order for them to do this, they need leads. And there was a study done by MIT that shows if you do not respond to your leads within 5 minutes, your odds of reaching them drop 100 times. And if you wait longer than a few hours, the leads essentially become worthless. So here's the golden window where you should be responding to your leads. And here's where real estate agents on average respond to leads. There was another study done by Inman that showed the average real estate agent takes 917 minutes or over 15 hours to respond to a new lead. So if real estate agents could consistently respond in under 5 minutes, they're outperforming 90% of other realtors. So here's the solution. We're gonna help them decrease their response time with new leads from 15 hours down to under 30 seconds using AI. This is gonna increase their chances of reaching their leads 100x, and we're gonna capture all of their leads, turn them into appointments, and even live transfer the hottest leads. Now, you may be wondering, well, would they actually pay me for this? Let me break it down. Real estate agents make money on commission. The average real estate agent makes 2% on the price of a home sale. So the average home price in the United States currently is $400,000. This means the average commission is around $8,000 to $10,000 every time a real estate agent sells a home. So every missed call that you turn into a booked appointment or a live transfer equals a shot at $8,000 to $10,000 commission for the real estate agent. Them paying you $297 per month for an always-on system that never misses is a no-brainer. You just need to reach out to enough people so you can get someone to say yes. Now, let's get into the strategy. Step number 1 is to find a real estate agent on Zillow. I'm gonna head over to Zillow, click on find an agent, then type in the city that I'm looking for real estate agents. And you can see here, we have 5,000 potential agents that need our service. What you'll do is you'll just simply scroll down and find an agent that you wanna reach out to. I recommend reaching out to agents with 15 or more sales in the last 12 months. You guys can see Zillow shows you all that information. Click on the agent, and I recommend working with agents that make at least $250,000 per year. I'll show you how to calculate that in just a second, but if they make at least $250,000 per year, they can pretty comfortably afford our service. And they also do enough business to where they're missing calls and they're missing leads. They don't have a traffic problem like somebody that's brand new and has not sold their first house. Here's how to calculate how much money they make to see if they're qualified. So the first thing to do is to get this number here. This is the average price that they sell homes for. And then we're gonna multiply this by 2%, and this will tell us how much they make when they sell a house. You can see here, 475,000 times 2% means that they make about $9,500 every time they sell a house. Then the next thing we're gonna do is take that number and multiply it by the number of sales that they've made in the past 12 months. And you can see here that in the past 12 months, this real estate agent has made about $550,000 in commissions selling homes. You want to reach out to qualified real estate agents that can actually benefit from the service and afford the service. Now, let's get into creating your attraction offer. Since we're reaching out to complete strangers, they don't know, like, or trust us. What that means is that if we want to get them as customers, we have to lead with value up front and take the risk off the table. Here's a message that you can send. Let me walk you through it. So the first component is the email subject. You can see here that I have the address that they have for sale or that they've recently sold. To find one of these, just go back to the Zillow profile and scroll down and you will see here that there are sold properties and there are some that are for sale. If we take one of these addresses and put it into the email subject line, the real estate agent knows this address because they're actively trying to sell it. This increases our odds of them actually opening our email. The next part of the message says, "Hey John, I can get you more listings like the one that you have on short name for address." What I mean for short name for address, we would just use Knoxville Ave or even Knoxville. It makes it sound like you're from the area and you're in real estate. If you write out the whole address, it sounds more robotic. So the message would read, "Hey John, I can get you more listings like the one that you have on Knoxville." And remember, the address for that same property is already in the subject. And then here we have our risk reversal, and then we have an explanation as to why we would do this and a continued explanation as to why we would be doing this. If you just remove the risk and you don't explain why, humans question it and don't think that it's real. Do not underestimate how many outreach messages you have to send in order for somebody to say yes. Actually stay consistent with this and you will get customers. Once you get someone to say yes, this is the automation that we're going to be building. I want you to understand it first and show you how it works before we actually build it. The first component to our automation is that it syncs to all of their different lead sources. So think leads from their website, maybe they're running ads, getting calls from Zillow or Realtor.com, and even open house signs, or even just missed calls. As soon as one of those leads are captured, we're going to use an AI outbound caller that will call those leads immediately, qualify them, book appointments, and do live transfers. These would be the leads that are serious and need to talk to a human right away. Additionally, we will have text messages and emails that follow up with these leads and turn more of the leads into conversations. Remember the stat? If you wait after 5 minutes, your odds of reaching leads drop 100 times, and anything after that just makes the leads less and less valuable. And realtors on average respond in around 15 hours. So we're fixing the leaky bucket from all their different lead sources and moving all leads to the next step, which is to book an appointment or a live transfer. Now, let me show you exactly how I've done this with one of my clients. Inside of our system, you can see that we captured one of their leads from a Facebook ad, and this was at 8:20 a.m. As soon as the lead was generated at 8:20 a.m., they received 1, 2, 3 text messages reaching out to them and giving them what they requested. And then 2 minutes later, the AI outbound caller called the lead, qualified them, and booked an appointment. Here's a recording of the actual call.
Hello?
Hi there, this is Jackie with I saw you were interested in getting a cash offer for your property. I'd love to help with that. Would you like to go over a few quick questions about your property?
Yes.
Great. Here's how it works. First, I'll gather all the details about your property so we don't have to go back and forth. Once I have everything, I'll send it to our underwriting team, who will prepare a final written offer. Then one of our concierge assistants will reach out to review your offer and options. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's start with the full address of the property you'd like an offer on. Could you share that with me?
308 Atlanta, Georgia.
Thank you. So, just to confirm, Atlanta, Georgia, Northeast 30317. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Perfect. Have you done any major repairs or updates recently, like remodeling or replacing systems?
New oven, new range top, new furnace, new roof, and attic fan.
Thanks for sharing. So you've added a new oven, range top, furnace, roof, and attic fan. Sounds like some great updates. Are there any current issues with the roof, plumbing, electrical, or foundation?
No.
All right, no issues there. What's motivating you to consider selling right now?
I inherited it.
Understood. Thanks for sharing that. That's all the info I need for now. We'll follow up with you within the next 24 hours with your cash offer. Do you have a preferred time for us to reach out?
No.
All right, we'll reach out within 24 hours. Thanks for your time, and we'll be in touch soon with your offer. Have a great day.
Now you can see exactly how this works and what we're going to be building. Let's get into the build. Everything we're going to be building is inside of Go High Level. I have an exclusive 30-day free trial linked down below, which gives you an extra 2 weeks to try out the software and includes all of my bonuses. Check it out down below. Once you have your high level account, you're going to click on AI agents and you're going to click on voice AI, and then you're going to click on create agent and you're going to click create custom agent. Now I already have mine created, so I'm going to walk you through all the correct settings. If you have not done this before, you will see an enable outbound calling button here, and you're going to need to turn that on. This allows us to use the AI to reach out to potential customers. When you create your AI agent, you will be taken into a screen that looks like this. The first thing that I recommend doing is naming your AI agent. Then you'll need to select a voice. You can see here there are plenty of voices to choose from, and if you want to hear how they sound, you just hit the play button. Additionally, in the My Voices section, you can add in custom voices and clone your own voices from 11 Labs. Next, we have our AI model and the language. Now, the main section, and then we have the main section section of this entire system, which is called the prompt. Here is the exact prompt framework that I use. You can see that it has two parts. The first part is for all of the inputs. And then once you edit these, here is the actual prompt that all those placeholder values plug into. To be clear, this is the exact prompt that I use. I've just used Claude to template this so you can use this for other businesses, but this exact prompt works. So what you'll do is you'll go back to Zillow where you have your first customer, and then you're gonna head back over to Claude, and you're just gonna write something like this. Please create this prompt for, and then you'll insert the Zillow link. This gives Claude access to the Zillow profile. It can read their bio, check out their website, and basically curate the prompt specifically for that agent. Next, before we send that message, we're gonna copy the entire prompt template and head over to Claude, and then we're just gonna paste it right here, and then you can hit send. And in about 20 to 30 seconds, you can see here, Claude took a look at the Zillow profile and filled in all of the placeholders, and here is the new prompt. Now, do not just blindly trust the AI to make this prompt exactly how you need it. You may need to change some questions around or customize it, but it's gonna fill it out so you don't have to do all of that manual work. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna copy this entire prompt to right there, and we're gonna head over to high level and we're gonna paste it in right there. Okay, so this is where the prompt will actually live. The next section that we have is the welcome message. And since this is gonna be our outbound AI agent, we need to click on outbound, and we're gonna copy and paste this exact message right here. You're just gonna change the offer and then the qualifying question to make it relevant for this particular agent you're helping. All right, so we've got about 80% done. Now we're gonna move into the actions. You'll head over here to the actions section and click on new action, and then you're gonna click on call transfer. Now the function of the call transfer is to transfer the call to a human, and we're gonna do this when there's a hot lead on the other line. So first, you'll put in your phone number here that you want the calls to get transferred to, and then you need to tell the system when the call transfer should actually take place. Then you need to tell the system what to say before transferring the call. You can use a prompt to have the AI agent phrase it naturally, or you can use a static sentence. Then hit save. The next action that we have is triggering a workflow. Click on new action and trigger a workflow. And the way that this automation works is when a user is considered a hot lead, we want to trigger one of our workflows here. You can see here, it lets me choose from any of my workflows. Here you can see inside of the workflow, this is another part of high level. It's very simple. It just simply will send over a text message to a custom number saying hot lead alert. So when a user is considered a hot lead, it will trigger this workflow. Same logic here. You can use a prompt or a static sentence. Then hit save. The last component that we're going to add is the ability for the AI agent to book appointments. You'll click on appointment booking here. You can see I've already got mine linked up, and all you're going to do is just pick a calendar here. This is a calendar that you create inside of high level. Then just click next and hit save, and we're almost done. Since we're going to be using this as an outbound agent, we need to configure the AI disclosure. First thing you got to do is turn on the AI disclosure, and then you choose a disclosure type. I recommend just using the concise one, and then you have the option to play the disclosure on every call or only on the first call to each contact. If you want to be safe, I would have this on for every call. You do not want to get into some trouble running the system, but this is totally legal as long as people are reaching out to this business first and agreeing to be contacted. Now here you can see the entire live preview with the AI disclaimer and then your greeting, which is what you put right here. The last settings that I turn on are enabling voicemail detection. I turn this on, and then when there is a voicemail detected, it just hangs up. And then you hit save. So now we're pretty much ready to go, but I do want to give you a quick demo showing you how this would work.
Hi, this is Demo Accounts AI Assistant. You can say don't call me again to opt out. Hi, Quinn, this is Jackie. You filled out a form for more information on 1332 Knoxville Avenue. Are you interested in taking a tour or just browsing?
Yeah, I'll do a tour. Do you guys have availability?
Great. We have openings for a tour today at 1 p.m., 2 p.m., or 2:30 p.m. Would any of those work for you?
Yeah, 2 p.m. is perfect.
You're all set for your tour today at 2 p.m. We'll send the details to Quinn at newbreedagent.com. If you have any questions before then, just let me know.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. Looking forward to your tour. Have a great day.
So you guys can see how powerful this is. Now I'm going to show you the last few pieces that you need to make this a complete system. So we're going to head over here to our automation section inside of high level. And as I explained to you guys earlier, we're not only going to call those leads immediately, but we are also going to text and email them because some people will not answer their phone. So you can click create workflow and you can start it from scratch. I already have this built out inside of my high level. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works. This is the SMS and email follow-up with the outbound caller. And so the first thing that you would do is you would link all of the different agent lead sources right here. So if they submit forms on the website, you can link this. If they're running Facebook ads, you can link this. And even if they don't have a website that you're hosting inside of high level, you can easily get it connected right to this workflow. So just imagine all of the different lead sources are right here. And then the first thing that happens is the outbound call that I just showed you. So to add this one in, just click on the plus and you can type in voice, and you will see here we've got the voice voice AI outbound call. And then what you're going to do is click on it and you will see the action name, which you don't need to change. And then you have your AI agent, which we have our outbound one right here. And then you choose the phone number that is linked to the high level account. Then you'll just hit save. And then the next thing that I've added is a text as soon as they fill out the form or whatever lead source they came from. We just click on the plus and then go to SMS. And you can see here, we've got the communication right here. And then we can type whatever message we'd like right here. And we can even use custom data inside of high level. Maybe we know that they came from a Facebook ad. We want to write a different message, or they came from our website. We can use the data inside of high level to add it into our message. And then the next thing I have is just a simple wait period of 5 minutes, and then it sends over an email. That way it's not exactly at the same time. So this is how the workflow works. You link the sources. They immediately will get called, texted, and then emailed. And then essentially it's just going to keep following up with them until they respond. And we have over here in our settings, this stop on response. So this workflow will end if they respond to the text or the email. That way we don't keep following up with them. And the last little thing you can do is go to AI agents, and you can actually make a conversation AI agent. I can show you what this looks like. This basically will respond to leads over text message and email, and you can even link these other sources. But you can use the same general prompt right here. And then if a lead doesn't answer the phone, but they respond to a text, this thing will actually kick on. So imagine you just say, hello, right? This thing will kick on, and then it'll turn that lead into an appointment or a live transfer over chat and not over the phone. So that's a little bonus thing that you guys can throw in as well. So that's how we build the automation. The last step that I want to share here is how to understand your money math. You may have saw at the beginning that I said you can charge these businesses $300 a month, and you totally can. But if you're new, you can totally start with a free trial to build trust with the market. And what I just showed you doesn't cost you anything to deliver. High Level has a free 30-day trial using my link. Maybe it takes you like 20 to 30 minutes to set all this up following my tutorial. And it's not like you're paying thousands of dollars to deliver the service. So it's something that you can actually give a free trial for, because it really just costs your time. There is some phone usage or text usage that you do pay for, but it's very minimal. And if it's being used, that means somebody took you up on your free trial, and they're getting calls and texts being sent through your system because they have leads that the system is working on. So yeah, maybe you spend like 10 to 20 bucks in phone usage, qualifying an agent's leads and getting them results so you can get more clients in the future. And to put this into perspective, I've sold this type of a system for $3,500. So you don't just have to charge monthly either, and it's not like people won't buy this. But if you're new, you can start between 99 to 300 bucks per month. Don't worry about staying there forever. It's a process. My first ever client was a website client, and I worked for free for multiple months, and then that client ended up paying me multiple six figures and being my best client. So have a long-term perspective, because it's not just about how much money you make right away. That wraps up the video. Like I said, if you're interested in these types of automation templates so you can plug and play, start selling them to businesses, just leave a like, drop a comment down below, subscribe, and I will send you over a private link. Hope you enjoyed the video.